Hi and welcome again to our Trade Smart Risk Less series, and this is exactly the topic that I want to discuss today. Risk less, and how important it is to trade with very little risk in that. Well, it's important in every investment across the board. It doesn't matter what do you buy, what kind of asset. It's important to buy cheap. But in day trading, it's not it's the most, maybe the most important thing is to buy cheap. So let's take a look at Pony again. Today we have already seen this stock, but it's so important to observe it again and again, because this type of patterns will happen to you every day. So the stock is moving higher after the morning volatility. And then it starts to pull back, and then it moves higher, and then pulls back, and then moves higher. So if you observe the chart, and obviously if you don't observe, there's nothing to talk about, you can clearly see that 16 is a round number, and it is the support level here. Now, if 16 is the support level, and you know how to trade support levels, okay, then you can buy anything at any price above 16 and use 16 as support. So let's say you buy at 16.05 and your position size is $20,000. Okay, just to round things up, the risk is 1/3 of 1%. You know what? Let's round things up even 0.5%. So $20,000, 0.5% is $100. That's your risk. Okay, but if you buy higher, the risk doubles and then triples. So what I'm pointing here is that if your risk tolerance is anywhere between 1% and 2%, let's say 1% max, okay? So instead of buying $20,000, you can buy $40,000 because the risk is 0.5%. And which means that if you buy $40,000, in this case, the risk will be 0.5%. That's $200. So you risk on this trade $200. 200. That's your maximum risk, and that's super important, because that fits your criteria and then gives you a lot of flexibility to sell on your profits on the way up. Hope it was clear. Thanks a lot for being with us, and again, do like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.